Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2012 Chevrolet Silverado LT. This vehicle is featured in a dark or light gray metallic paint with chrome front grille and chrome bumpers. We also have our running boards, as well as rear privacy tint, soft tonneau cover, alloy rims, and four-wheel drive. Now moving on to the interior of the Silverado, you can see our window controls as well as mirror controls. That also features our power mirror fold-in. We have our close handle as well as our speaker down below. Moving on to the interior of the car, we have our black fabric seats up front. You can see our radio and climate controls in the middle there. Four-wheel drive controls, and then our odometer here. Steering wheel's wrapped in black leather with our cruise control and radio controls. And then our odometer and lighting controls off to the left. Now back onto the exterior of the vehicle, we can take a closer look at our alloy rims with Chevrolet badge center caps. We have our Silverado badging featured in chrome with our chrome running boards, mirror caps and door handles. Rear privacy tint, as well as 4x4 badging on the rear. And in the back of the vehicle, we have our chrome rear bumper with Silverado and LT badging, hitch, and then our soft tonneau cover. The rear door panel is very similar to the front, with the close handle, window switch, and door handle. The rear seats are also featured in black fabric, with our fold-out center seat featuring 2 cup holders and an armrest inside. Thank you for joining me for this video walk-around of the 2012 Chevrolet Silverado LT. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.